Hello everyone, today we're gonna go and get Katawa Shoujo. I'm sorry I haven't uploaded in a while, but yeah. This is a weird game that for some reason a lot of you wanted, so yeah, here it is. Anyway, it's going to take a while because downloading it's weird, and it's long. There's only 3 parts, but you have to wait like 2 hours for each one. It takes about an hour to download, depending on your internet speed. And if the servers are up and well, so altogether it should take about 5 hours to install this. So just install this and come back to the video, whatever. Make sure that your system locale is in Japanese so you can actually play the game. And I believe that this is already cracked to English because when I opened it, it was already in English. So. Anyway, you're going to want to go to Aroka Games. The link is going to be in the description because I know you guys are all lazy. Anyway, once you're done, I just put it all in a folder. Just open up part 1. That's what I did. If it doesn't work, go and open up all 3 or something. And I already checked all 3. You get a exe just like this, except it's a little bit different. So you're going to double click on the exe or extract it. Either way, just make sure you open up the exe file. And once it is done, waiting and waiting and waiting. Minimize these. You're gonna get this. Just click text. I agree. Go make a desktop shortcut if you want. My will appear right here once it's done. Doesn't really matter. And then you just click install. This takes a little while. So I'm going to pause it, and yeah. And once it's done, you will get this, complete the Katawa Shoujo setup. And you could either not open the readme, or anyway, just click finish, really doesn't matter. The readme is just game manual. So. And there you go. Oh, look at that, I already got some extras. What is this? Yeah, nothing. And showing that it's in English. It's already in English, so. You go and do all this stuff. I just press escape to go to this. So. Yeah, that's how you get Katawa Shoujo. Wasn't really that difficult. I'll try to upload a lot more later. I apologize for not uploading more recently. Also trying to get into Silver for League of Legends. If you want to add me, I'm Geicolo. Just my name will be in the description as well. I'll try to go and upload some of that stuff too. Hopefully that could be a part of my channel as well. So. Anyways, enjoy the rest of your day. I hope you enjoy the game. Check out some of the other games I've uploaded on how to install, especially the Geicolo series. I love that one. So, anyways, good luck. Have fun. I'm getting a PlayStation 4.